Hi everyone, just a quick public service announcement. CaddxFPV has just announced that they are releasing a VRX on pre-sale. So this is going to be just like the HD0 thing that you could plug onto any goggles that have an HDMI input. Caddx has made one of these for the whole Walksnail system. So instead of having to buy your own set of goggles, you can buy the VRX, and right now they have a deal for $200 American, $199. You can get the whole system. It comes with antennas, and it comes with a 1S board and camera for building a little tiny whoop. Or for a few bucks more, you can get the one with the full actual system. It's really exciting. I wish I could buy one right now, but I'm broke. So, Walksnail, send me one for promoting you. That would be lovely. They have some things where you can leave some comments, and if you do, it looks like you could win something, but I don't know. I followed it, and it looks a bit sketchy. So if any of you guys have actually followed that, let me know. And if you're going to get it, tell me about it. Yeah, I just wanted to let you know so that you could get on it early, because they're only going to be doing this for a month. So I'll have a link below that you can follow and order your own. And you could also do what they tell you to do on their page on Facebook and see if you win something. It looks a little sketchy. If any of you, though, have actually done it and won something, let me know. Please use the affiliate link down below. It'll cost you no more, but it'll help me be able to save some money to hopefully get my own one day. I'd really greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much, and yeah.